Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. It feels so weird saying that. Like I haven't been very active. It's been a minute since I have uploaded a YouTube video. I was busy with exams, finally done with semester 1. I can breathe, but yeah, I couldn't do the whole multitasking thing of being a student and uploading videos. It was too much. So basically in this video I am going to show you guys how to highlight, contour and bake. So I just showed you guys a couple of products that I have used in the video and how to actually use it to get the look that you are looking for. So highlighting, contouring, baking is quite a technique that's been used for a very long time. Obviously there are some advanced products and ways here and there on how to use it, but honestly it's a wonderful technique for a great and complete makeup look, especially if you're going out. You know, you gotta have the full glam coming through. So I just showed you guys how to achieve that look with just a couple of products that I do have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope that it was helpful. By the way, thank you guys for 900 subscribers. I've been gone for quite a minute, and when I came back I was like, what? 900? So yeah, it's officially hashtag road to 1,000, and I like saying it just feels so weird, but yeah, I cannot wait for that to happen. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So as you guys can see right now, my face has just foundation, eyeshadow, and then I did my brows because I want to focus only on the highlighting and contouring. So basically highlighting is you giving light to parts of the face that usually where the light hits, like right over here, forehead, under your eyes, and then like on your chin. And then contouring is basically to give your face structure. As you can see right now, I just have foundation. There's literally not much structure except like here on my jawline, so we want to give it that snatch, that Kim K kind of snatch. So you just need the following. I'm going to show you guys how I highlight, contour and bake, and this is how I do it. I know different YouTubers have different ways, different people prefer different ways, but I'm just showing beginners how to do it. So you're going to need a highlighter, a concealer, that's your highlighter. So basically I use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it is in the shade 30. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. So that is the concealer that I'm gonna use, and then I have a contour stick. This one is by Rimmel Cosmetics. It has both a contour part and also a highlight part. I hardly use this one because honestly I don't think it works for me for highlighting. It's too, I don't know, it's weird. And you can also use alternatives like 2 concealers like this. So this one is going to be your highlighting and this one is going to be your contouring, and these 2 are in the shades Cool Tan and Beautiful Bronze. So you can use either one. I switch it up a little bit, it depends how I feel on that particular day, but yeah, that's what you need for. So these are the ones for highlighting and contouring, right? And then for baking, this is what you're gonna use for baking. So for baking I usually use this one by Revlon, and it is the Revlon Candid banana powder. I also switch it up and sometimes use the Maybelline translucent powder. Translucent powders are very perfect for baking. So baking is for setting, so we are like setting that highlight, setting everything, and also just bringing that light to the face. So without blabbing too much, you're also gonna need a beauty blender as well. So yeah, don't forget that. Without blabbing too much, I just wanted to explain the basics. Right now we can get on with it and get started. So I'm just gonna use this technique where you highlight this way close to your nose and then at the edge. And then you're also gonna highlight right here in the middle, and then like that, as well as on your forehead. So this is where the light is hitting, right? So that's highlighting. And then contouring, I'm gonna use the contour stick, and I'm gonna contour right under my cheekbone. So that's my cheekbone right there, and I'm gonna go under it like that, literally just under it, on top of it, I don't know, but more of under it. And then right here as well, and then also on your forehead. Okay, next up you're gonna need a beauty blender that's a bit damp, so it shouldn't be very dry and whatever. But let me quickly put you guys on a quick technique. Let your concealer dry just a little bit, like just a little bit. It lets it set in, and also just gives your face more of that. It just gives your face a little bit more of the concealer, and then it just brightens up your face compared to just blending it out immediately, especially if it's a liquid concealer. And literally just most of it goes into the sponge. So just wait for it to dry just a little bit. So while we wait for it to dry, I'm gonna blend out the contour part. So I'm just gonna blend, and you're gonna blend it upwards. Okay, you don't want the concealer to dry way too much, so I'm gonna go there and start blending. And what you want to do is you want to blend it close to your nose, so from your nose outwards, like here, outwards, outwards. I just want to make my beauty blender a little bit more damp. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend on the forehead. I usually like fast forward this part of my videos because I usually assume that everybody has seen me do it, but I realized that I have more people subscribing, so I have to show you guys how I usually do my foundation routine. So this is perfect for those who haven't really properly seen my highlighting routine properly. So yeah, and then I'm gonna blend out the nose part. So for the nose part, you kind of want like a concealer brush just to blend it out so that it's more direct, like this, because you want it to be nice and thin to appear nice and, like, you know, narrow and snatched, like that. So what I'm doing is just blending the way that I put it on in a line, compared to just using a beauty blender and just go. I usually do that, but if I want it to be nicely snatched, use a brush instead and blend it out in that line. Okay, so as you can see, the nose is already looking quite snatched from blending from here until here, and also using this instead of just a beauty blender. I guess you can use a bit of both, but if you want that dramatic, I'm going out kind of, yeah, snatch, then this works. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the contour stick. This is perfect for contouring your nose, especially because it's a nice stick. It precisely goes where you want to contour, like this. Alright, I know some people contour towards like the eyebrow, the eyes, like I said, it depends according to what you want. I'm gonna blend it out with this first, just for more of precision, precision kind of blending of the contour. But then I'm gonna blend it out with this one from this brush, contour brush from Urban Studio, and it is Pro Contour 208 by Urban Studio. Oh, I already said that. Color, it's one of the color brushes, and then this one is more like of a flat brush, and we want to blend out precisely the nose contour. I'm gonna blend it. Looks really good. My nose never looked this snatched. What? There is no ways. There is no possibility. None. Okay, it's the never for me.
There is no possibility. None. It's a never for me. Okay,
so much of the work is done right now. What you want to do is set it in, because most of the time the concealer starts creasing here, especially if you've been wearing makeup for like the whole day. You'll see it form lines. So I'm gonna go in with this Candid powder. Okay, I need to wear a robe for this because this powder is gonna go all over my white shirt. Okay, I'm wearing a robe. So I'm gonna go in with the Candid powder that I just showed you guys. Okay, so what you want to do is take the powder on a damp sponge, and then now you set it onto your face, close to the nose, like that, exactly where you highlighted. I use the other side of the sponge, so this side, to bake. See, that's where we put the contour, that's where we're setting. Okay, so guys, that is the step of baking. As you can see, it's baked. You're gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, more or less, and I know a lot of people do this step before eyeshadow and then wipe it off after eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna be back to wipe it off for you guys. Snatched. As you can see, my face has much more structure and definition and some snatching going on compared to the beginning when it was just foundation. The next step is finally the final step of highlighting and contouring, and it is to highlight. So this is called the Contour and Glow palette from Scarlet Hill. And now we're just gonna add a bit of gold, baby, to the face. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, and I'm gonna use this brush to just add the highlight to my nose. I can also use a fan brush. I just like to use a bit more precision on the nose. And then I'm gonna use this shade right here, just above your cheekbones. Okay guys, so the final step to all of this is finally to set the makeup, and yeah, we're done. So I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. Oh yes. Also, if you have dry skin, don't leave the powder for too long to set. So yeah, but usually after setting your makeup, your face goes back to like a glowy kind of Yeah, look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was very helpful to you guys. Do subscribe to my channel, please, if you have not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video, so I can know whether or not I should upload these kind of videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.